This is the Delta Arvo 14 series with a handheld shower head attached to the main shower head. It comes with the handle and you can get it with or without the tub spout. We got it the set with all three things. It is gorgeous, comes in a ton of finishes. We got the matte black to match all the new matte black stuff in our renovated bathroom. So here it's coming out of just the outside ring. So there's just the outside ring. There is the inside ring, and there's both in action. The water pressure is kind of down a little when you're using both. So if you're using just this one, then we've got 1, 2, 3. 4, and that one's really weak. So that's kind of my favorite. Woo! The tub spout. This does swivel. Really nice. To adjust the temperature maximum, you have to have a 30-second Allen wrench to open this. This pulls out, and then you adjust inside there. Really nice metal hose. I was worried about it kinking, but it looks nice. And then here is the 2-in-1 hand shower and shower head. Really nice. These are soft silicone, so they're easy to clean. You can change the modes here. Boom, boom. This just sits back up in there. And yeah, we love it, we love it, we love it.